Hi, it's Mark Wanamaker, and I'm here to give a segment on something that is rapidly approaching us. We're just finishing up with the final cleanups in the yards, and I found myself in my garage looking through my winter equipment and checking it out to see if I was ready. And something came upon me, and I said, this is a segment that needs some discussion now, and I'm sure it's fresh in everybody's mind. It's this product right here. I'm sure everybody can remember what this was used for last winter, I'm sorry. Roof rake. Really important tool to have, as everybody knows, particularly after the last storms we've had through the season. So let's talk about the use of this, proper use, and what it does, and some of the safety features that you've got to be aware of when you use one of these things. Essentially what you're doing by using a roof rake is trying to prevent ice dams. Ice dams are caused usually by insufficient or improper use of insulation in your attic. So you're getting heat underneath your roof, causing melt during the daytime. At nighttime it freezes, and typically it will freeze at your gutter line. And this freeze builds up over a number of days and actually creates a dam where water will build up and push up underneath your shingles and cause damage, as many of you found out this spring afterwards, a lot of roof or ceiling damage. So by using this, what you're doing is you're eliminating some snow from the roof, and you may just want to reach up 4, 5, 6 feet maybe, and you're exposing the roof, thereby allowing sun to hit it in the daytime, melt snow, keep it clear, and not build up as an ice dam. So these types of tools, they come in different arrangements. This one happens to be all aluminum. The heads snap apart. There's a little button or a BB that just goes together like that, pops right in. This particular model here is a 21-foot reach, and what you do is you just connect another section like this, and this comes with 3 sections plus the original body like this. This unit also comes with these little plastic rollers on here that prevent the actual metal edge from touching or coming in contact with the roof, causing any damage. And what you do is you would reach up and pull the snow off the roof. It's set up at a particular angle that allows you to do that. You can also buy more extensions. I don't recommend it though, because once you go beyond 21 feet, it gets very awkward, and the balance and the weight of the head is liable to snap the handle. I've used one of these quite a lot. My recommendation is don't be too concerned about getting a straight edge. That's usually what I don't recommend. By creating a straight edge across the roof, 6 feet up from the gutter or so, can actually push the ice dam further up on the roof. And you'll end up with an ice dam there holding back water, and you'll just move the dam further up the roof. My recommendation when you use one of these is go to the center of your roof, use that as the highest point, and make an inverted V as you work off to your left and right side. You can either do an arch or make an inverted V. Thereby, if you do create another ice dam, the angle that you've created will allow water to run freely. That's been pretty successful with me. So this is one model that we carry, 21 feet. Other models that you can use, and you can buy a different length and make a 16-footer like this one here. And this one comes with a plastic head. Sometimes this is nicer because it's less damaging on the roof shingle, and particularly on rubber roof. you got to be very, very careful on rubber roof that you don't grab onto it and tear, cause a tear. Again, this goes together the same way with a little BB or bullet type arrangement here. And this particular one is a 16-foot. You might have a a small cape or a ranch or something like that. That's where this is ideal. Get into a colonial style house or something like that, you're going to probably need a 21-foot section. So that's it on the roof rakes. They also make some other products. I'm sure many of you folks remember, pucks. And these are basically calcium chloride, and they look like a hockey puck. They're white in color, and these are designed to take and throw onto the roof, causing ice to melt and creating a channel and breaking through the ice dam. So you take and throw a number of these up into an area where you know that you're having troubles holding water. So this is a great item to have for emergency use. Another item is this. This is fairly new now. This is called HotSok, and what this is a tubular piece like this, and you would lay it right in the gutter, and would create the ice to melt. So this section here is about a 5-foot section. So again, this is a nice emergency tool to have when the need arises, to have around the house. Another little trick that's used in desperation, and we saw that happen a lot last year, is calcium chloride's a very effective ice melt. And again, that's what this product is made of. What you can do is you can take calcium chloride, it's a little white pellet type ice melt that you can buy, and you would take a handful of that, put it into an old nylon sock, tie off the top, and take and throw it up on the roof. Very, very effective. Works very well. The only embarrassment, of course, comes the spring, and the neighbors are looking at your yard and noticing on your roof that you've got nylon socks hanging all over it. So you may have some explaining to do, but again, very effective method of getting rid of ice dams in a jiff. So with all those ideas, and again, don't be the last one this year to go out and try and find a roof rake. There's plenty of them out there right now. We've got a good stock, and now's the time to buy, and good insurance, even if you don't use it. And I hope we don't have to use it, but nonetheless, you'll have it and be ready. Thanks for listening. And as a reminder, when using a roof rake, you want to be careful of overhead wires. You know, you might be walking around with this thing over your shoulder, sticking up behind you, and not being aware of what you're doing. I'll say it's probably the last time that you'll ever have that situation occur, because if you hit a power line with one of these things, you'll know it. It's very, very dangerous. So keep aware of overhead wires when moving around the house with roof rake, and be very careful where the entrance comes in contact. The electrical entrance comes in contact to the house. Don't get too close to that. So just keep in mind and keep your wits about you.